Beach Tower, proceed back.
Eight's going to watch your duels 5.
How are we doing today? My name's Emmett, I'll be your pilot or something of that nature. Where are we from?
Oh, nice.
Where?
Oh, nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Oh, we are from Cuba.
Cool.
Oh, we're living on North Carolina.
Skywheel.
He also looks like a surgeon.
Myrtle Tower, Venture 40, North Hotel.
Inspector Gadget.
Proceed back, Venture 40.
How are we doing?
Very good. Yes, you like it?
Adventure 60, Myrtle Beach Tower, proceed back.
Couple things you might see out here today include dolphin, sharks, sea turtles, stingray, jellyfish, baitfish, fish, vegetables, and fish, possibly even SpongeBob or Patrick.
40 is going to be with the fast 2 stream 1.
Calling towers again.
Door, sir.
Down here we have the 2nd Avenue Pier, 14th Avenue Pier, Boardwalk, Skywheel, Pavilion Park. The Skywheel is the tallest Ferris wheel on the East Coast. It tops out at 208 feet.
How long are you going to be over the
Yeah,
north?
we already riding yesterday over
We'll
there.
probably be out there about 15 minutes.
276, Roger. Remain this frequency for departure, and I'll have to move you around departing aircraft.
276, Roger.
Myrtle Tower, Venture 10, North Hotel. So holding for the left.
Myrtle 5 Tower, proceed as requested.
Proceed, Myrtle 5.
Mercury 3288, right on Alpha 5, contact ground 120.3.
Alpha 5, 20.3, 3288, good day.
Good day, who else called?
Myrtle Tower, Venture 10, North Hotel.
Adventure 10, Myrtle Beach Tower, proceed back.
Proceed back, Adventure 10.
System 13276, proceed on course, runway 36 at Bravo 2, cleared for takeoff.
36 at Bravo 2, clear for takeoff. 276, and we'll go on course.
This right here is the Gold Mile. They call it that because for only $2 million,
Beach Tower, proceed back.
you can get you a piece of oceanfront property. Housing market tops out around $13 million, and the homes are completely uninsurable.
Wow.
Myrtle Tower, Venture 70, Fun Hotel.
Adventure 70, Myrtle Beach Tower, proceed back.
Proceed back, Venture 70. Hey, 180 Skywheel, got the inbound traffic. I'm sorry, I'll follow you.
3 Skywheel inbound in front of 8.
Oh, hello, 3.
Pretty good ride, Jesse.
System 13276, radar contact with a departure and stay altitude.
Altitude 600.
Thanks.
Down there we have Family Kingdom Amusement Park, home to the Swamp Fox Wood roller coaster. It was built in the mid-50s. It looks like it, rides like it, feels like it.
Tower, Myrtle 5 Resort inbound. Tower Intro Hotel.
Myrtle 4, Myrtle Beach Tower, proceed back.
Proceed back, Myrtle 4.
Jesse, you see your room in the hotel?
Room 7, 180 Skywheel.
Yeah, it's right there, you see the tower. That's pretty good ride, Jesse.
Watch your doors.
Make sure next is straight out the front, please. Let your loaders get your doors. If you enjoyed the trip, feel free to tip. If you did enjoy it, well, I apologize.